Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got our December Allure beauty box, so let's get right into it and check it out. I have come to you today without lipstick on because I believe that this month's customization was the lipstick. I start next month with ordering through Allure, but I believe people who are already subscribed through Allure Beauty Box, I did mine through Amazon, this is the last month. I believe they got to choose a lippy, so I came lipless hoping that I have a good lippy in here, so let's not put this off another minute. If you are new to the Allure Beauty Box, it is a beauty box. You will get it monthly. It is $25. You will have 6 products. They say it will have a value of more than $100 and that 3 of our products at least will be full-sized. When we open this one up, that's what it looks like. Already a good sign. Last month, she was fully flooded. One of my products had completely opened and soaked a lot. It's the first time it's ever happened and I've gotten it for like 5 years. Things will happen. That is what it looks like when we open it up. Other than the lippy, I have no idea what's in here, so I'm kind of anxious to find out. I will say I'm going searching for the lip because I can't wait another minute. I received this in mauve, so that's probably a good color for me. The only question will be, is it too light? Because sometimes mauves tend to be too light, but for one video it'll be fine. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream. My daughter likes one too, but it's not the lip cream, it's the other one that's very glossy and shiny. When we take it out, this is what it looks like. Let's check out my color. Okay, this is nice. It looks like it might be kind of my lips, but better. I think it will be dark enough that it'll give me some lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. It's not even just, I've gotten to the point where it's not even just that I feel like I don't look as good because my face is fairly devoid of color, but also it feels so dry this time of year. It feels so good. There's not a lot of color, not much color at all, but it feels really nice. Very, very light. It's almost, like I said at the beginning, my lips, but just a little bit better. Not usually as much color as I generally choose to wear during videos, but something that day to day in my life, just in my house, I would totally wear. It smells nice. I can't place it though. I'm gonna go back and forth and see if we can get more color. It builds a little bit. It's very nude. Even though they call it mauve, it's very nude. I'll tell you what, I am just happy to have my lips feel that much better. That is what it looks like. Feels fantastic. The scent, I can't place the scent, but it smells really good too. I will totally use this. Like I said, not for taping, but just for in my around the house-ness. It doesn't have quite enough color to suit me for camera. Now that we have our lips on and we're feeling better about life, oh good, first page. Let's learn a little bit about this. It is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Creme in mauve. You could have chosen mauve, peachy pink, cranberry, or peppermint. So I got the absolute lightest one. If I had been already subscribed through Allure, I could have customized this and chosen myself the nice darkest one. Inside this slim bullet, you'll find a hybrid softening balm and satiny lipstick for moisturizing color with a very pretty sheen. It's great for dry winter days when lips are more prone to cracking, but you still want a glossy pop of color. The slender shape of this bullet makes for an extra precise application, and you get to pick the shade you wanted to receive in your box. It is absolutely easier application for me because I have very thin lips, so these are much easier for me to put on. It has a $26 value, so this was one of our full-size products. It feels so good. Okay, next out is a little box. We have the Innisfree Daily UV Defense Mineral Sunscreen. It is a broad spectrum SPF 45. I really love that it is mineral. I prefer minerals to chemical sunscreens. I try and avoid chemical sunscreens when I can. I have a trip coming up that this might be the perfect size to throw in my bag for my face. That is what it looks like when we take it out. I'm going to make assumptions here that this is a deluxe sample or perhaps a travel size. Let's see what the paperwork says. Even in winter, you need sunscreen daily, and this mineral option is a pleasure to wear. It protects against UV rays without leaving a white cast on your skin. The soft green tint is undetectable and helps even out redness. You know your girl is red. That is awesome for me. Or full-sized, it would be $22 and it would be 50 ml. We have 10 ml, so about a fifth, so a little over $4 is what we got. Let's check out the green and see if there's really no cast. For me, I don't generally have much of a cast issue because I am already so incredibly light. Can you see? Can you see the little bit of greenness next to it? That's what it looks like just when I first kind of smooth it out. Oh, it's like almost no scent. I like that a lot. It feels nice too. It doesn't feel overly oily or overly matte. It's just, okay, but I'm gonna say, I don't know that I can get this across. I'm gonna hold it back because I think probably that's your best shot at seeing it, but this is my, this is my hand too, in case you were wondering. I don't keep extra hands around. I think it's a little light. And I'm gonna tell you, if I'm getting a little bit of blowback cast on it, I'm very light. Oh, I can definitely tell it's lighter and it's there. It's perfect for me. I don't know that I would recommend this for darker skins though. Next out, we have a little tube. It is the, Sephora Vitamin C and E Super Glow Serum. It's always so interesting to get a Sephora product in a sub box. It says it's that time of year when skin needs a little more help in the hydration and radiance departments, and that's where vitamin C and E serum comes in. The antioxidant duo is brilliant, literally. It helps brighten skin and also coddles, protecting against free radicals while moisturizing. The namesake ingredient, vitamin C, is known for its ability to even out skin tone and create a glow, and vitamin E is a unique antioxidant that hydrates. If it were full-sized, it would be 30 ml and it would be $21, and we have 8 ml, so let's just call that a little under a quarter, so this is a little less than $5. I'm not going to use it. Yeah, I won't pass it on either unless somebody I know loves it because it's not sealed, but I cannot use vitamin C on my face. It's one of those things that I am super sensitive and it will just irritate and make my face. I always say it will just eat my face off. And people are like, what do you mean? Vitamin C, several things, but in this case, vitamin C makes my face very red. It will get warm, kind of bumpy. I have a severe reaction that feels like my face is on fire. So I always say it feels like it's eating my face off. Okay, next out we have a True Soft Argan Oil. It is from, who is it from? I feel like I know this brand, Nina something or Mina. Let's look it up. I feel like I've seen it before though. Maria Nila. So I was kind of blending everything. Maria Nila True Soft Argan Oil. Why you'll love it. The antidote to dull, staticky winter hair is this easy-to-spread formula. With argan and rapeseed oils that's light yet moisturizing, it forms a superfine frizz protective coating with dimethaconol. Is that a silicone? I think that's a silicone. For a hair that's smoother and shinier all day. As a nice bonus, you can use it after washing your hair, and it's also a finisher on dry hair when you need a little something something. If it were full-sized, it would be 100 ml and $39.90. We're going to call that 40. We have 30 ml, so about a third, so $13-ish. It's about $13 worth. I'm going to read more about this before I apply it to my hair or just decide what I'm going to do with it, but I'll show you guys. It's just going to be, there we go. It's just kind of a, oh, can you see it? I can feel it running down my hand. I can't see it, but let's see what it feels like. Oh, definitely silicones. It's definitely silicones. Does that matter when it's a leave-in or just when you're shampooing and conditioning? It's got to matter when it's a leave-in too, right? Let me know below. I always need more information about hair, but yeah, this is not even thinking about going away on my hand. So I fear that my too thin hair, it smells amazing. I'm sorry, I was just distracted. One thought. I'm afraid that my too thin hair will not respond nicely to this. Second thought. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. It's kind of fruity and bright. Smell. Can you see the shine on my hand? That's not even thinking about going away. Which I guess if you have nice thick hair, could be the good news. I can't put that in my hair. As luck would have it, I have grands with much nicer, thicker hair than me that might love this through the winter to anti-static their hair. Smells so good. Okay, next out we have Palm. Oh, I've had this brand before. I'm probably saying it wrong. I have had the cuticle cream. Anyway, this is not that. This is very close to that. Renewing Hand Serum, Signature Scent, Parfum Signature. that is what it looks like. It's pretty good sized, even for a hand cream. Oh, it's 2 ounces. It seems bigger than that. I am enjoying this box much more than last month's, not just because last month's was incredibly wet, but I think this is a good box. You'll have to let me know below what you think. Proof that hand cream doesn't have to be utilitarian. This formula is packed with the kind of skin-loving ingredients you'd normally find in a good face cream. There's vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, to name a few, that help even out skin tone, fading brown spots on your hands. That's amazing. As they hydrate, tons of oils, safflower, jojoba seed, lavender, rosemary, and more make the blend extra moisturizing. This is full sized. It is 60 ml, which is 2 ounces, has a $42 value. I have an age spot on that hand. See that? It's like, hello, you're old now. It makes me very sad. So we're gonna immediately put this on that. Ooh, I like the tube. We're going to immediately put this on that and rub it in. I know, it says, it's gel. It says it has vitamin C. I just can't use it on my face. I can use it on my body, easy peasy, no problem. Of course, I didn't read any of the other ingredients, but yeah, that's just like a gel. So let's put the, it smells like the rosemary. It has a very herbaceous scent. I like it a lot. It smells really good. I like herbaceous scents. I used to use all of the Aveda hair stuff because I loved that herbaceous scent. Hasn't faded it yet. How long do we have to wait? I'm kidding. I mean, I'm kind of not kidding. I wish it would work that quickly. This spot has bothered me forever, so I would spend, if that spot goes away, I will be buying more of that. I'm just saying. And last out, we have Grown Alchemist. Thought I saw that box. Naturally advanced formulations to support your skin. This is biological beauty. This is the Hydra Restore Day Cream. I'll have to read the ingredients on this. I have just started using, I just love these little metal tubes. I have just started using my winter Drunk Elephant Lala Retro. It's my absolute favorite. I started in the winter. I usually finish it April, early May at the latest, because I use it every day. Every winter when I go back to it, I tell myself, just keep using it. When May comes, just buy another one and use it through the summer. And then of course, by the time April or May comes, my face, it's getting warm outside and it's just too heavy. And my face is like, nope, I'd like something lighter, please. And then when November rolls around and I buy it again, I'm like, oh, why don't I use this year round? I've played that game with myself for like 5 years. But when I start using it, when it gets dry, my skin just loves it. It's 0% reactive to it. It's just lovely. Anyway, this is Grown Alchemist. That is what it looks like. And it says it sinks in quickly, so it's easy to blend over your skin and doesn't leave a tacky or sticky finish. I would love that. It's so elegant, you'll barely know it's on, except that your skin is softer and more hydrated, thanks to ingredients like grapeseed and jojoba seed oils. This is full size, so it's 65 ml, and it has a $50 value. There's like a billion ingredients here. Let me check them out. There is technically nothing in here I can't use. There are several citrus peel oils, so that could be problematic, but we're gonna try it. I've put a lot of stuff on my hands already. Let's put it back here. It's just a nice white cream. It is a lotion. It comes off more lotion than cream. Oh, it just smells like a 1950s. No, I wasn't there. It smells like what I presume vintage lotion smell is. I really like it. It makes me think of my grandmother. I like it a lot. It is very moisturizing. You saw how much I used. That's enough for my wrist and my palms. Would take very little on your face. I like the scent of that a lot. I can feel it blending into the citrus. Another slight herbaceousness. I don't think it's what was left on my hands from the palm. I can tell that it feels like it's just going to completely go away. I will probably set this aside for spring, at which point I will be giving it a try. If I can't use it for that, I'll use it for hand cream. So just in the 3 full-size products, the Grown Alchemist Moisturizer, the Palm Hand, is it cream? Hand serum. So you're going to put this on in theory before you put your hand cream on. The hand serum that's going to take care of my dark spots. And the Maracuja lip cream that I have on. Just in those 3 products, you have $118 in value in a $25 box. And then we have our 3 deluxe samples. We have the argan oil from, man, I can't remember, Nila. Can't remember her name. The Innisfree Mineral Sunscreen, which is a great travel size to try, and the Sephora Serum, which I will pass along. I think it's a great I think it's a great $25 value box. And it came early for me this month, so I'm very happy with that. I'm gonna switch over to ordering it from Allure, so I will have customization. And if you get it from Amazon, be sure you switch over to Allure because Amazon won't be delivering it anymore. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you are having a fantastic holiday season. I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.